A race? Which ones are those?
Megalodon, Draganoid, and Dragon.
Okay.
Get set, go.
Woo!
Dragon wins.
Yeah, so many fell off.
Megalodon behind. Megalodon wins.
Yeah.
Get set, go.
Woo! Wow, those flew.
I think I can move far.
Yeah, can you go down the slide now?
Hey,
Oh!
I needed to slow down.
Yeah? Whoa! Oh no! Oh!
That was the biggest one yet.
Yeah.
Total.
Yeah? Toro Loco? Oh, 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 oh! That one fell off the edge. What's that one?
Soldier.
Soldier? Soldier Fortune. Or Fortune Soldier.
Fortune soldier.
Yeah? Okay, ready? Set, go! Oh. How many monster trucks do you have?
So many I can't even count them.
You can't count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't even count them. I didn't go up to 8.
8? Oh my. I see one that's only got 3 wheels.
Come on, get set, go. I don't know which way.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, he made it through.
But he didn't go so far.
Okay, let's see if it makes it down. Ready, set, go! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Ah! Yeah.
I can make it wide, Mommy. Wide
Yeah, you can make it really wide.
and very short.
Okay. Oh.
I can make it a craziest. This will be a crazy. Good. That's wet. I'm going back out.
Eden, what are you doing?
I want to go down there.
What you doing?
I need to save Eden. Ha ha!
You going by?
Oh.
Thunder and Draganoid and Dragon and
Gravedigger, 2 Megalodons.
2 Green.
What's that one? That's Son of a Digger. 2 Gravediggers.
Son of a digger, that's one of him.
Yeah, you got El Toro Loco.
And Blue Thunder and Odin.
Yeah.
Don't be your father because he's the scariest.
He's the scariest when he needs to go the furthest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go this way back because somebody destroyed it. Somebody destroyed the bridge. Don't know what can we do? Build it back.
Build the bridge back.
It'll be wide and tall. It'll be super wide.
Mm-hmm.
Super Spider-Man wire.
Oh.
Maybe it was too wide, right?
Yeah, maybe. All right. Which truck do you want to put in?
Draganoid and Draganoid. I mean,
El Toro Loco.
and two loco.
Yeah. Okay.
Loco and two loco. I'm gonna take the first one.
Which one is that one?
Draganoid.
That's Dragonoid? Okay, let's see if Dragonoid can make it into the
Lego bridge.
Lego bridge? Okay.
I'm not.
Good.
Oh, I need another one.
You want two at the same time?
No, actually not two at the same time. I'll see how far they could go.
Okay.
I might just let go.
Oh, crash.
Mommy, look behind.
Are you in the puddle?
You can't.
Up, up, up.
Yay, Eden! Good job!